had an awful sleep last night and woke up with such a sore neck. I think I'm gonna die. I think I need to go to a chiropractor. I hope this chiropractor can help me.
What's up, guys? I'm Jeff the chiropractor, and I'm single.
In this river.
I don't usually film my sessions, but this is the first time for everything. Show me where it hurts.
Just, it cranks right here.
I'll stretch you out.
Is it gonna hurt?
Don't easy hold me, baby. I was still a child. Didn't get the chance to.
I think this guy is crazy.
Choose what I chose to do. So go easy.
This guy's got a back like Julia Roberts. This guy's puny. He's easy. I'm 31. I've been in 2 serious relationships. I'm looking for someone who's beautiful, but really smart as well. I'm religious. On God, this is probably one of my favorite clients. I don't know, man. Do you even like me?
What is going on? Someone dial 911, I'm being killed. I don't know how any of this helps my neck. Thank you so much, yeah.
We're not done yet.
What?
Go easy hold me, baby.
I'm crying. My neck is healed. That was awesome!